It finally came. Let's check it out. There you go. Works like a dream. Awesome. Hey guys, welcome back. I finally got the phone call for that new tool I've been waiting for. So I'm just going to go over there and pick it up and do the unboxing today. So I'm in my personal car. It's a little bit of a change, but yeah, it's nice to sit in a car every now and again, you know. So just a shout out to Mr. Johnny Sunshine Phillips out there in Sarasota. Hopefully you get better soon. He had his surgery this week, yesterday, day before. So yeah, Merry Christmas, sir, and hopefully you're feeling better soon, sooner than later. Other than that, this is the season where everything kind of slows down right about now. So I'm officially on holidays until, I don't know, maybe the new year anyway. But anything that comes in, as far as property management and things, I'm on call all the time. So anything that pops up that way, but any jobs that happen or anything like that will be in the new year. So there'll still be videos and everything else. So I have the pay it forward video that I'll be doing probably tomorrow. I got to talk to Mrs. P because I want her to come with me. So we'll be kind of doing it together, and we'll get that video done. And yeah, I really appreciate it. All the messages, all the comments. People wanted to pay it forward video, so that's what we're doing. And yeah, should be fun. Hopefully we can brighten up someone's Christmas, and or you know, others too. Who knows? That's the plan. I'm gonna go to pick up that tool now. We'll see in a little bit. Get it. There it is, guys. The long-awaited Milwaukee Air Snake drain cleaning air gun kit. This one comes with the battery charger and as well as the air gun. We're going to open this guy up, see what I got. Alright guys, let's see what we have. There it is. First opening, Milwaukee Air Snake. Comes with an M12 charger, battery, then different adapters. This would be for a tub, different drains. This is also for a tub. You have different sizes. Then that's the toilet. It's not as heavy as I thought either. It's not heavy at all. Turn to 5 psi for initial use. So the way you adjust this, you just turn this knob. There's a little mark on the side. That's about 5. It's a little LED light. It's probably about 18 inches long. You can hold it with one hand. So you take this attachment, just pops in there. You can take whatever you like, whatever you're doing, unclogging. Quick connect coupler, nice. I have it on 5. There you go, 5 psi, ready to go. And you just put it over, shoot, just like that. They do tell you not to go up. It will go up to 50 psi. I'll give it a couple warm-up shots. A little battery indicator as well. Not a bad little unit. Nice. I like the case too. Nice big hard shell. Won't get damaged. I can throw this in my trailer. Very nice. Well, that's it. I've been waiting for this for a long time. Apparently they don't stock them in Ontario, so had to get it from Wisconsin, I think. I do a lot of clog issues with sinks and toilets and tubs and things too, so it's just going to help me get the job done faster, maybe a little cleaner too. Who wants to go put their hand down into, you know, all the mess that happens? It's nice though. I am a DeWalt guy, but unfortunately they don't make one for DeWalt. But yeah, there it is, guys. Milwaukee Air Snake. And I also have the Milwaukee drill, so the batteries are compatible if I ever need them. It's a good little unit though. I like it. Also, the pay it forward video, I spoke to Mrs. P about that. We're going to be doing that tomorrow. We have to go out and get some stuff ourselves, so a grocery store pay it forward or something like that. Yeah, we have all of our Christmas shopping done that we know of anyway. We usually just get ourselves stuff throughout the year for the, you know, for myself and the wife, so whatever the kids want to think about getting, that's kind of up to them. I ended up picking this up from the Brantford dealer here, the Bobcat Brantford dealer. He there's a dealer there that does DeWalt, Milwaukee, all the, you know, all the brands. So, and they ended up hooking me up with this. It was actually almost half the price, so I'm glad I did that. And also it just happened to be Customer Appreciation Day there, so they gave me some swag. I got like 4 shirts. I also picked up some more batteries. Some DeWalt Power Stack. 20 volt, 5 amp hours. So we'll be rocking them, see how they work. Apparently they're supposed to be good, so we'll check it out. And yeah, we'll let you know how that goes. That's the first unboxing video. Remember, have yourself a great Christmas. Merry Christmas. Thank you all to everybody that subscribed, and we'll see you on the next one. Get it!